Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and today I'm going to show you a box that's in front of me, and we're doing unboxing. And it's almost Valentine's Day, so I'm preparing for that. I have some stuff here inside the box that I ordered online, and let's see how it goes. Because sometimes it's better to just do it online instead of going to the store. So let's see what we have. I ordered different stuff from different companies, so now I don't even remember what is inside this box. But I know for sure that this is for the Valentine's Day that's coming next week. So let's open it. And one good thing is I started buying online from actually China, and it's fast delivery because I ordered this 2 weeks ago, and now I have all the items. So we have here, let's open that later on. I just gotta remove the box. Oh wow, everything is in the box still, there you go. And another thing with this company that I ordered goods or the clothes from, they are pretty reasonable. Like the price is not too bad compared when you buy it here at the store. I mean, it's still better to buy it in the store, right? Because at least you can see the quality like before ordering it. But I already had good experience from this company last time, so I decided just to buy more from them. Okay, here's the flower that I just buy, some flowers. I don't buy a lot because I rather have fresh flowers. But since it's Valentine's Day and winter is still here, so that's why I decided to buy some. It's very pretty. Look at the quality. I like the quality as well. And I'm going to decorate my house for Valentine's, so I will show you the outcome after. So I have one like that. I think I have more in here. Oh, I like this. We have, oh, this is pretty. I like the quality as well, and it's very soft. I think it's 80% polyester and 20% cotton. So there's one. It's nice. Let's just keep removing the items or the plastic. And I also bought from them. Like this is for my stamping because I'm going to start doing cards again. I stopped for so many years, but now when I saw my items in the upstairs, that's it's just sitting there, and those are expensive ones. I might as well use this. So this is just the stamp or the letters for stamping. So we have that. And when you buy this at the store, depending on where you're going, you end up buying it for more than $5. But online, I just got it for $1. Oh, this one is also nice. Let's open this for you. The packaging is well done. And they even have the card. Interesting. And look at that. So just open it. Actually, we'll do it this way because I'm going to wrap this for Valentine. This color is very pretty. There you go. I like the color. And also the material is soft. And we have more. Okay, we have more for stamping. One day I'm going to show you how I make my cards instead of buying it from the store. For those people who still like receiving cards, I am doing it again. This is also neat. Wow. This is satin. Look at that. Perfect for Valentine. This is so pretty. Always say pretty because it is. And we have the cake slicing tool as well. Let's open what is inside. It's this size cake circle. So this is perfect for my baking. Whenever you want to cut in between, you just put just put this inside the cake, and it's adjustable as well. You just here you press this, and then you can adjust the size depending on the size of your cake. So this is perfect. And this is where you put the cake inside, and then you just cut it. And this is a very good buy. So that's the one. Let's put that inside the box again. Let's put this here. Have more, so let's just... Okay, and this is also the tape that I'm going to use for my card. It's peacock. It's nice as well. We have more. And this is well packed, so it's one good thing. Okay, I like the gray color. This is actually perfect for giving. We see this is medium, I believe. Yeah, it's nice color. I have the paintbrush for my painting. It's also just less than $1, so that's perfect. And we have the tube. That's for winter. Okay, we have more. These were folded properly. Okay, another one is for... It looks big, but this is just perfect size. This one is large for men. Okay, I have the rose again here. Or not the rose, just the flower. Okay, let's just... I selected the red and the pink for Valentine's, because I'm going to decorate my place with some of the flowers I already have, plus this. So this is the first part of the video. I'm going to do this two parts because it's way too long. So this is Arlene Mendez. God bless us all, and bye for now. I'll see you on the second part.